Happening everyone, it's your boy here Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So basically the video today is all about the Android 16. As some of you guys already know, Google announced it and they said it that Android 16 might be coming up much earlier than we are expecting. So I was thinking so many times, if it's much earlier than we're expecting, is it a rush for that kind of pixel? We are getting like 10 years of update, 7 years of update, depending on your pixel lineup you're having. But I cross my fingers. I don't want Google to rush the Android because I just want something differently right now, because comparing Android 14 and Android 15, it's just some features which have increased, but nothing that much on overall user interface has changed that much, like a big change. But we're gonna just check it out today, what's so new about Android 16, like a glimpse of what we'll be expecting through here, so as we can know better throughout Android 16 what's coming. So enough of me talking, let's jump in and check it out. Let's talk about the timeline Android 16 is set to launch. It will be launching officially in Q2 of 2025, with Google planning to start its beta phase as early as March next year. It gives us plenty of time to test and explore new features before it reaches everyone. Similar to the previous versions, we can expect a developer preview early in 2025, giving developers a chance to optimize their apps, new features and updates. Now, the features in Android 16 is expected to push boundary, especially in AI, privacy. Google aims to make the OS more adaptive, learning even more from users' habits to personalized settings and app recommendation. Seamlessly enhanced privacy controls will give users more transparency over the apps, how they use their data, and improve cross-device functionality. It's like to make working across tablets, phones, and other devices easier than ever. AI and automation. This update brings deeper AI integration. Google is reportedly enhancing its own device AI processing, so Android 16 can run more machine learning tasks without relying on cloud processing. This should improve speed and privacy. Think of it like having Google Assistant that's even smarter and better at handling tasks based on your personal habits. I think Android 16 might be not that much bigger overhaul throughout Android what will be just coming. I believe that if Google could just release this like a patch for Android 15 instead of just giving us Android 16 and no much bigger overhaul. But I'm crossing my fingers because there might be something they're working on at the background which we have no clue yet. But the only thing we have right now is that they're going to be releasing Android 16 very earlier compared to how Android 15 was released. So I think it's a really great thing to give us some differentiation through our usage and how we're gonna be using that kind of operating system to explore some goodies on it. But there's always a downside and always something coming up. Now, something which is so coming up, and I wrote this online, to be honest, and it was so fascinating because somebody just said it might be like Google is rushing on Android since they promised the software updates, and since they'll be rushing on Android, we believe that Android might not get that much juicy the way we're expecting it throughout the operating system. And I don't know, to be honest. I think to my own kind of aspect, let us just watch and see, because we're gonna be jumping on conclusions which we don't have clue yet, and I believe they're gonna be doing better. Let us just wait for it and see it and explore what's new, and for coming years how Android is going to be changing. And I believe it's going to be changing the layout, perhaps like a different material design coming out because we're having material U, but it might be changed to another thing. Like the biggest overhaul which we had, to be honest, which we say damn, Android has changed, is jumping from Android 4.4.4 KitKat going to Android Lollipop. Things were so different out there, but overall it's quite not bad, can't complain. It's such a great journey we had, and we are hoping for the best throughout Android operating system. What's the next real big thing throughout there? So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm going to be catching you guys on the next tech video, and peace.